Hello and welcome to Web Math Academy, where today we're going to continue our discussion of limits and show how they can be used with different mathematical operations. I have 5 examples over here. The first example shows our addition and subtraction rule. Second shows our multiplication rule. Our third limit shows our quotient rule. Fourth limit shows the radical rule. And our fifth limit shows polynomial rule. Now in this example number 5, we can see that as x goes to 3, the denominator goes to 0, which is not allowed. However, we can get x as close to 3 as possible and come up with a limit. First, we factor the top and the bottom, and we come up with x minus 3, x plus 6 over x minus 3, x plus 3. Well, we see that we can cancel the x minus 3's, and we're left with the limit of x plus 3 over x plus 3. X plus 6 over x plus 3, which equals 9/6, or 3/2. Now we can check that answer with our TI-Nspire CAS calculator. Over here, we just open up a calculate scratch pad, and we go to menu, 4 for calculus, 4 again for limit, and we just plug in the values. So we have the limit as x goes to 3, and we're going to put another parenthesis in here for our numerator, which is x squared. X squared plus 3x minus 18, close parenthesis, divided by, and open parenthesis for the denominator, x squared minus 9, close parenthesis, and enter. 3/2. So you can see that that's the correct answer that we got. Now, I have a couple limits down here for you to try on your own. There's nothing tricky about them. If you follow the examples we have above, you'll have no problem solving them. And then you can check them with the TI-Nspire calculator. All of them are easily computed by the calculator. The answers are over here to the right. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us at our website, webmathacademy.com. Thanks.